Thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it this far. I also want to apologize if you've seen this before. I put this up about 2 weeks ago, but I got struck with a copyright. They were totally right though, so I just wanted to re-release the video itself. I'm going to be more mindful of that and try to promote more of the copyright-free music channels out there on YouTube. So if you're curious about the song and the video, you can check down in the description and go check it out yourself. As always, likes are always appreciated, and if you guys want to see more Fallout 76 art or overall entertainment, feel free to click on my channel down there and work away. As for me, I'm going to go upgrade some weapons. I'll see you out there in the wasteland.